Woohoo! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I appreciate you guys' time. Yo, it's been a minute since I made a video, huh? Working on 2 months now, which is a little crazy. No really like crazy amazing reason, just to be completely honest and transparent, been quite lazy and slacking on the videos, that's all. However, I have got a few things done and I have figured out what the fueling issue is with my Forester, and I am beyond stoked on that. So I'm gonna tic-tac-toe these cars around a little bit because I need to do a oil change in the GTI because it is going bye-bye. That sound never ever gets old to me. I could do that all day every day and be just as satisfied every single time. Alright, YouTube fam, let's go ahead and have a quick chat about everything I've done off camera since the last video made just before Christmas. So several things happened with the Forester. One, the passenger side ABCS gasket had a small seeping issue, similar to the driver's side. Again, those are the only two gaskets on that entire motor that I did not replace. Hindsight's 2020, I should have replaced them when everything was apart and easy to get to, but replaced that gasket, cut that oil leak out, no problem. Got everything cleaned up all nice. It's good to go. Second big news for the Fozzie is I finally solved the fueling issue that it had. And if this is your first video of mine, my Forester had a problem where you try to fill up the car, you put the nozzle in, squeeze it, and it would shut off after like 5 seconds. Went through a whole bunch of stuff on it, and it turns out it is in fact the charcoal canister that is bad. Now, I know a bunch of you guys had commented to check the charcoal canister beforehand, but I didn't do it the right way. So I just pulled the hose off going from the fuel tank to the canister, and I blew air through it, and also checked to make sure there was no type of debris like carbon buildup or anything falling out of the hoses, and everything worked as it was supposed to. There was no carbon, air flowed seemingly like it was supposed to. Turns out that really was not really the case. So what I did was remove the hose from the canister and then start to fill up, and it worked just fine. So that tells me that the charcoal canister is in fact bad. I will not be replacing it here in Germany, where I'm currently at, as my timeline is swiftly coming to an end, and we're going to be headed back to the States. Pretty pumped on that, but also I'm really going to miss it here. So that's two things with the Forester. Third thing is finally got a tune date. We hit the 1,500 mile mark, did the last rather large oil change. Everything was clear, clean, ready to roll. You.
I'm really stuck.
100% stock. No mods whatsoever.
I've never seen it for 10 years or so. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Ciao. Right, where was that? Oh, third thing, got a tune date. Is that was that? Yeah, third thing, got a tune date final with Alex at tracktoys.de. Headed up there the 24th of February, and I am beyond stoked for that. Like I said, we hit the 1,500 mile mark. Oil was clean, clear, ready to go. There's no crazy issues going on with it, which is great, but also kind of obvious. It's a brand new motor and it's been broken in as it's supposed to. So that kind of catches everything up with the Forester. Next, finally got the full cut and buff done on the GTI here. My buddy Angel that lives next door was kind enough to loan me his DA sander, which cut the time down tremendously, which is amazing. But now it's nice, shiny, ready to go. Hitting the oil change, this will be the final one I do on it. Like I said earlier, there is a potential buyer coming by later this afternoon to pick it up. And hopefully he gets that, or hopefully he picks it up, because that'd be one thing off the checklist for moving back to the States, so I don't have to worry about it anymore. So let's get back to cleaning. The oil should be drained. I gotta clean the little underskirt the dust cover on the bottom, get everything back installed, and I'm good to go. All right, that's gonna be it for the oil change. Doing her nice little purr. It's been a fun car, I'm gonna miss it.